Good morning traders. Today is 23rd of November and the time is around 10:30. Nifty and Bank Nifty both are looking very weak. I was using this web terminal, but then there is some mismatch in the price showing in the chart and the actual prices. See here it's showing 12879 and here it is showing 1278 and it is stuck here from a long time. So I tried to refresh it, but then it did not go through. So see, there is a mismatch of prices and there is some data missing here, which I tried to refresh, but then it is not working. Might be there is some problem with this web terminal. So at this moment I'm going to close this, and I have opened my desktop terminal Binge, and I'll be using this for today. So regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, so as I said, both look weak and I'm gonna be on the short side today, given there is a decent pullback. Maybe if there is a double top here or somewhere here, I would be willing to take a short position. So right now there is no trade. I haven't taken any trades right now. Let me show you my order book and position book. So this is my order book and my position book. So at this moment I haven't taken any positions. I will keep you updated once I take any positions, guys. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you. Hello traders, the time is around 11:45 and I have taken a buy position in 12,950 CE of 26 November expiry. So my execution price was at around 119. I have bought 2 lots, that is 150 quantity, and I placed a stop loss at around 108.85. so let me just see it in the chart. So yeah, so the high of this candle was my entry and the low of this candle is my stop loss. So my target would be at around this level, around 149 150 level. So let us see if it achieves today. I will keep you updated as and when I close this trade. Thank you, guys. That's it for now. Hello traders, the time is around 2:40 and I have closed all my positions for the day. Actually I made a mistake today and I had to pay the price for that. It's a human nature to do mistake, but what we have to do is just accept it and move on. So I took 3 trades today and all of the trades took out my stop losses. So this was the first trade that I had already shared. I bought 12,950 PE and it got triggered well, and then second I bought 13,000 PE at around 134.3 levels. It also took my stop loss, and similarly I took one more trade in 13,000 PE which also took my stop loss. So the total position for today is around minus 4,861 rupees. So regarding the chart, so this was the place where I took a first shot. I almost got the target. If at all Nifty had fallen a few more points, my target would have reached, but then it did not happen. It took a reversal. So the second trade that I took was here. I saw that this is a double top that is forming in a weaker market, so I could short here, but then that immediately took my stop loss. So what, according to my trading rule, I am supposed to take only 2 losses per day, but then what happened today was I took one more trade here at this level. So if I have to mark it, right, I'll take a horizontal line. So here So this was the area where I took one more trade, and it also took my stop loss. The idea was Nifty and Bank Nifty both were looking weak today, and so there was a double top formation, so it could be weaker from that point onwards. That was the idea. But then today, because of uncertainty, I had to make a loss. That's okay, it's a part of the game. But I should have not taken the third trade when both my trades were in the loss. So that is a learning for me, that I have to control my emotions still, right? So that's it for now, guys. I'll keep you updated for tomorrow.